how to remove silent mode on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So to remove silent button, you can see a switch on the left hand side. You can just flip it and then you can see the ringer. Now you can also use the volume up button to increase the ringer sound. Next, head over to settings and then scroll down, go to sounds and haptics, and there you can see the slider. Just drag the slider, and then that's how you remove silent mode on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.